Welcome back on Bob FM. Neil Freeman here. It is Monday, and it's time for Meshbesher Mondays, and I've got Tony Nemo from Meshbesher with us. Tony, good to have you on again. And we talked last about something that I think has been very prominent on cable TV especially, or people may have read about it in different magazines, Stryker hip recalls and the problems that people have had with those. Is there a class action lawsuit, or what is their recourse?
Sure. Good morning, Neil. It is not a class action, and this is an issue that even lawyers are confused about. A class action is where there is one plaintiff, one guy or gal that is suing somebody, and they sue on behalf of themselves and all other people in the same situation. And in order for a class to be certified by the court to proceed as a class, everybody has to be damaged in the same way, and their damages have to be really able to be computed the same. For example, if you go to your bank and they charge everybody in the country a penny more than they should have, well, one person can sue on behalf of everybody, and everybody gets a penny back.
Sure.
Sure. Or if you buy a toaster and the thing blows up and there's a class action, you get a coupon for $5 off your next toaster.
Right.
Doesn't work when you're dealing with personal injuries because everybody is different. Their injuries are different. They come from different backgrounds. They have different injuries themselves, different physical limitations. Doesn't work. So in personal injury cases like the Stryker case, everybody has their own individual claim, their own individual lawsuit. What does happen, and which confuses sometimes even the lawyers, is that in our system where you have thousands of cases against the same defendant involving the same product, the same evidence of liability, you're consolidated. All the cases are brought together before a single judge somewhere in the country, and that judge manages the litigation so everybody isn't running around taking the same deposition of the same guy at Stryker 1,000 different times.
Sure.
Doesn't make sense, too costly. So, and that's called multi-district litigation, or MDL for short. And in the Stryker case, all the cases in the country come to Minnesota. And so, fortunately, our firm has two lawyers, me and my partner Genevieve Zimmerman, who were appointed by the court to help run the litigation. And so, but throughout the whole process, all claims are separate, individual. You're not locked together in a big group. Everybody's case stands on its own.
Okay, if you've been injured or this is affecting you, it's nice to know we have the professionals in state and right close by that can take care of it. If they want to talk to an attorney, Tony, how do they get in touch with you?
Well, they can give us a call, or they can find us on the web at www.meshbesher.com.
That's our Meshbesher Monday for today on Bob FM.